Do you guys want to see what TikTok made me buy? I'm weirdly embarrassed about this. So guys, I bought this little stackable lunch containers, so cute. I got these little travel cases for my makeup and whatever, and then I got this insanely expensive hairdryer. And if I'm being honest, it was not worth the money. But the point is that 2 out of these 3 products were more than likely dropshipping products. So I'm gonna teach you how you can get set up on dropshipping only using TikTok. And you know what, guys? There is huge opportunity to sell with TikTok right now. 43% of Gen Z is starting their online product search on TikTok rather than on Google or any other search engine. So with that said, let's learn how we can get riche off of TikTok together. If you guys are new here and you do not already own a Shopify account, what are you waiting for? So I'm gonna put a little link for you guys right here in this video where you can click and activate your free trial, and there's no credit card required, which is really nice. Now, this tutorial that we're about to watch today is gonna be a lot more fun and easy to follow along if you do have an account, but also, if you're a total newbie and you have no idea what kind of a business to start or how to run your first Shopify store or even how to generate sales, we actually have created a very special course designed to take you from first day to first sale. And it is absolutely free. Some business gurus sell their courses for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And to be honest, guys, what you get doesn't even come close to what you would learn in this value-packed course. So if you guys are interested, click the link in the description box below to learn more. If you're new here, welcome to Learn with Shopify. This is an official Shopify channel where we teach you how to grow a successful online business. My name is Michelle Bally. I'm a creative strategist. I'm gonna be your host for today's video. Now enough rambling, let's get into it. Okay, so first we gotta find a product. So we're gonna go on to exploding topics. I'm gonna sort by trending over the past 6 months, and I'm gonna choose the pet industry because I feel like everyone just seems to have a dog these days, you know? Look at these hilarious results. Okay, so first we have a lick mat. I have literally no idea what that is, but I'm intrigued, especially because the growth has been up 326%. Okay, so the next step is to take a product that excites you and start doing some of that competitor research. Okay, so I'm gonna type in lick mat for pets into Google, and okay, I get it now. So I guess this product is supposed to keep your dog distracted and entertained as they try to like lick the food off the mat. So just from doing a scroll on Google here, I can see that some companies are gonna be selling this for as little as $6 and some are gonna be selling it for as much as $25. So for me and my product, I wanna make sure that this has good profit margins. So I'm gonna pop into CJ Dropshipping to see how much this actual product is gonna cost me. Okay, this one's like $1. This one's like $6. And oh my God, look at this one right here. This is a cat anti-lick shame circle. How hilarious and how sad. It kind of reminds me of the cone of shame from the movie Up. There's something so sad about that movie. I'm definitely more of a Ratatouille kind of girl. Okay, so enough rambling. Let's look into this first one here. The things that I'm looking for here is number one, how good are the product photos? Like, you wanna make sure that the product photos are high resolution and professional looking. The second thing that I'm looking for is how fast the shipping times are and how much the actual product costs. Sometimes, guys, it is worth it to pay a little bit extra in order to get the product over to the customer faster. And the last thing I'm looking for is what are the profit margins. So consider how much it costs to ship and for the product itself, and if you are making 20% or more, because you're gonna have other expenses like advertising, for example. So I'm seeing my competitors selling this product for anywhere between $6 to $25. And this one is gonna cost me about $9-ish, so that's not so bad. I can probably sell this for about $13 to stay competitive and to make some money off of it. Now guys, if you are finding this video helpful so far, do me a favor and hit the like button. It is a small thing that you guys can do to help me and this channel out. Okay, so after that, you're gonna wanna order a sample. You wanna make sure that the product is good quality and that the shipping times are what they say they are, but you'll also wanna use this product to create content for your ads and for your website. You're gonna wanna record videos that are thumb stopping. Like if someone were scrolling and saw an ad for this, you would want them to be so intrigued that they would just click through. Maybe your ad is really, really weird. Like maybe you have a dog eating really, really, really fast in a really sped up video. Or maybe you're showing an incredible result with a product like you're getting all your work done, you're cleaning the house, you're taking care of the kids because your dog is so busy with this mat. I don't know. But the point is, you're gonna wanna tell a story with your video. Beginning, middle, and end. And you don't wanna make these too salesy at this point or too pushy. You are just here to record a good story. Once you make these videos, you're gonna wanna edit them to add sound and captions and cut them down to be relatively short, 10 seconds or less. We'll need these videos in a sec, so hold on to them. Next, we have to build a Shopify store. So I'm gonna leave you a link in the description box so that you can follow along, and that's gonna give you access to a free trial. If you're not familiar, a domain is your website's address. So for example, mine could be paullookingood.com. But yeah, you could buy yours through Shopify domains. It shouldn't be more than 20 bucks, so it's pretty inexpensive. And then you would design your store on Shopify. They came out with a bunch of new themes, so you can choose from some of these free themes. And then you can also head over to Copy AI to help you write some product descriptions and an About Us page. And that'll probably take you about like 20 minutes. And then you're gonna need a logo for your Shopify store. So here's another AI tool that's really great. It's called Looka, and you can get your logo from there. So at this point, you might have spent 3 hours max doing all of this and no more than $100. So doing this is relatively quick and inexpensive. So with that amazing content that you made, you wanna post it to TikTok. And you're gonna notice something really funny happen. The videos that you thought would smash are probably gonna tank, and the videos that you thought were trash are probably gonna do super, super well. I don't make the rules. But have you guys noticed that? I feel like TikTok is weird sometimes. It plays with you. Let me know if that's ever happened to you before. Let me know in the comment section. But anyways, you're gonna find those hard hitters, the ones that get lots of engagement, and you're gonna wanna run those as ads. If you want an updated video on how to run TikTok ads, then leave me a comment below. And if we get 100 people commenting on that, then I will make that video for you guys. I just think that this video would be way too long if we put that in here. But yeah, guys, that is it. You just learned how to leverage the power of TikTok to start and grow your dropshipping business. If you guys remember to do this after you set up your business and run your TikTok ads, please come back to this video and let me know how you did with it. How did it go? I am so excited for you guys. This is gonna be such a great journey for you. And one more thing, if you are an e-commerce entrepreneur and you have had success with your business, I would love to have you on this channel as a feature. So if that is something that you're interested in doing and teaching our community about how you got to where you are, then leave me a comment down below and the name of your brand, and we may be in touch. So yeah, if you are on an entrepreneurship journey, then hit subscribe, because this channel teaches you how to be an online entrepreneur and all the tools and all the knowledge that you need. So thank you guys so much for watching. What did you think about this video? Hopefully it was helpful. My name is Michelle Bally. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Peace.